Hey guys, this is Super Simulation 9952, and this is a Deinonychus skull unboxing that I got from SkullsUnlimited. Most of you guys have probably heard of SkullsUnlimited, tongue twister, of SkullsUnlimited. It is a website that they sell skulls of modern animals, humans, well they're fake, and of dinosaurs, and dinosaur skull replicas as well. Anyway, this video is of me opening my Deinonychus skull. Don't worry, first of all on the box it has the link, but also I will post the link to SkullsUnlimited in my description. First I'm gonna cut the there. Okay. Now I'm just gonna savagely open it. There. It has a big thing of tape on it. Let me take that out. There. Now I'll just there we go. There we go. Somewhere in there is my skull. Now all I gotta do is open it. Holy crap, there it is. Right in there. Now I gotta open it. First layer. Let's get that out. There we go. Take a look at that. There you have my Deinonychus skull replica. Now I'm going to show you a couple of pictures of it.